Let's make Kung Pao chicken today. Hello dear friends and welcome to Kitchen Compass. Here I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. Marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing or Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of onion powder and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cornflour and mix well. Marinate and set aside for half an hour. I am making a Sichuan pepper infused oil. For this, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of Sichuan pepper and simmer for a few minutes. Turn off the flame and leave it aside for some time for the flavors to infuse. This can also be made ahead and stored. If you like the flavors of the Sichuan pepper, you can directly add the Sichuan pepper into the Kung Pao chicken. I have also finely chopped 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic, taken 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili paste. For the chili paste, I've soaked dried red chillies in hot water and made them into a paste. I've used the spicy dried red chillies. Also chopped half cup of white part of the spring onion, 1 cup of capsicum diced and 3 to 4 dried red chillies. Heat a pan and strain and add in the infused oil, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, add in the marinated chicken. Leave it without stirring for 1 to 2 minutes and then flip them over. Shallow fry them until slightly brown. Check for salt and add if needed. Set this aside. Into the same pan, add a little more oil if needed. Add in the chili paste and cook for 2 minutes on a low flame until the raw taste is gone. Add in the finely chopped ginger and garlic and cook on a medium-low flame until well sauteed. Break and add in the dried red chillies and saute for a few seconds. I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of brown sugar to balance spiciness of the chilies. If you like the numbing taste of the Sichuan pepper, add half to 1 teaspoon of coarsely powdered Sichuan pepper instead of the infused oil. Now add in the chopped shallots or the white part of the spring onion and saute for a minute. Saute the capsicum for 2 minutes. Add in the fried and kept aside chicken and mix everything well. Now add in the sauces. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I'm using this as a substitute for the black vinegar. 1 tablespoon of the Chinese cooking wine, Mix well and saute for a minute. In the meanwhile, prepare a cornflour slurry. Into half cup of water, mix in 1 teaspoon of cornflour, add in the slurry to the chicken and bring it to a boil and cook for a minute until the gravy thickens. Check for salt, check for the flavors and add in the sauces or salt or sugar as needed to balance the curry. Garnish with spring onion and roasted peanuts and serve hot with some rice. The easy and delicious Kung Pao chicken is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and thanks for watching.